Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate crypto lending with Celsius, complete guide step by step clearly. First, create an account on the Celsius app or website. Make sure to provide a valid email address and set a strong password. Verify your identity by following the KYC process. This may include uploading identification documents. Once verified, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Next, deposit your cryptocurrency into your Celsius wallet. Select the type of crypto you want to lend. Check the current interest rates for each asset. It's important to understand the rewards associated with each cryptocurrency. Navigate to the earnings section of the app. Choose your desired cryptocurrency to lend. Select the amount you wish to lend. Review the lending terms and conditions. Confirm your transaction to start earning interest. Now, set up automatic lending options if available. Define the minimum balance you want to keep in your account. Adjust your preferences for reinvesting your earned interest. Check your loan status regularly in the app. You can see daily and monthly earnings from your lent assets. Consider diversifying your lending portfolio for greater stability. Periodically assess the market conditions and adjust your lending strategies. Utilize Celsius features for borrowing against your crypto if needed. Remain informed about platform updates and changes in interest rates. Always conduct research before lending significant sums. That's how you automate crypto lending with Celsius. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your cryptocurrency experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.